Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to take a blood oxygen level reading with our Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. Works the same as most other smartwatches. You've got a bunch of different settings with this. You can actually have it check your blood oxygen level throughout the day, or you can just go take a manual reading whenever you want to, and that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to simply press the top right button on the watch. You have a delivered app for blood oxygen. You don't have to download anything. Should be on your watch. I've got my apps in list view. Yours might be in grid view. I'm going to click on it now. When we take this reading, it's going to take a minute. I'll probably speed that up so you don't have to sit there, but we'll look at the results when I get done. I did want to show you some of the settings in here. Now, I don't have mine set to track me all day long. That's why you really don't see any kind of historical trend here. If you did have it tracking throughout the day, you would see a trend of what your blood oxygen level has been doing. You can see in my case, I took a reading 4 minutes ago, so that's the only thing it's really showing. If I swipe up, you can see your settings for your blood oxygen. You can view it in the mobile app. That's what the first thing's saying. The second thing is where you can turn on auto blood oxygen monitoring throughout the day. And what it's going to do is when you're in a low or a rested state, it will periodically check your blood oxygen level. You can also set blood oxygen level alerts. If your SpO2 gets too low, you can simply click on this. Actually, you have to have the auto turned on, and then you can turn on alerts, and then you can set a threshold for at what level does it get to in order for it to give you that alert. So if mine drops below 90%, alert me. So that's kind of your settings with it. Let's go up to the top and we'll take a reading. This is the part I will fast forward, but we'll take a look at what my reading is. And there we go. It's done with the reading. 97%. Now you see the spinning icon down here. It's showing me that it's currently still checking my blood oxygen level. So you can see it dropped to 95%. So it's constantly doing it until you stop. The way we're going to stop it is we're simply going to press the top right button when we're done with the app. And that's it. That's a look at checking your blood oxygen level on the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. As always, I hope the video helped. If it did, thumbs up or appreciated. Thanks for watching.